Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to connect VPN in laptop. Firstly, click on the Windows Start button, then select Settings cog. Under Settings, choose Network and Internet. Then in the left menu, select VPN, then click Add VPN connection. In the dialog box that opens, set VPN provider and connection name as UWSP VPN. Then server name or address such as vpn.wsp.edu. Then click Save. Under VPN settings, select Change Adapter Options and right-click on UWSP VPN, then select Properties. Go to the Networking tab and select Internet Protocol version 6, then click Properties. In the Internet Protocol version 6, click Advanced, then in the Advanced Settings box, under IP Settings and check the Use Default Gateway on Remote Network. Select the DNS tab and in the text box labeled DNS suffix for this connection, enter uwsp.edu, then click OK, then OK to close the IPv6 settings. Now, in the UWSP VPN Properties box, select Internet Protocol version 4. Click Properties, then Advanced. In the Advanced Settings box, under IP Settings and check Use Default Gateway on Remote Network, then click OK to close the settings. Now, you need to finalize the setup. Click OK to close the UWSP VPN Properties box and your VPN is now set up and ready to use. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.